This is Marina Beach, and it is a very small sandy beach located right next to Ayia Napa Marina, a small complex of shops as well as one big building that I'm certain it is apartment building overlooking the sea, and it has like a small port here for boats. Yes, it is 23rd of December today. It is 3:30 p.m. right now and 20 degrees Celsius in the air and water temperature of around 20 degrees as well. And I'm exploring this beach today as my third beach of the day. I'm not so extreme now compared to when I was in summer here and explored 10 plus beaches in one day. So I'm taking it a bit more slow as I'm gonna be staying here in Cyprus for 2 weeks over the Christmas and New Year's holidays. So let's then take a swim also at this beach that I visit for the very first time, as I haven't been here in summer. But it looks nice. It's quite small and yet sandy as well. Look at that. And it has super nice big building that looks very futuristic, and there are some shops also at the promenade around the port, and there was also small Christmas market with few Christmas decorations, as tomorrow it is actually Christmas Eve. So yeah, the entrance here looks very nice and all sandy. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is the beach. As I mentioned, very small. There are a few palm trees here and there, but I think they are going to build a bit more over here. All right. Then I think I'm ready for another swim today. It's a wonderful sunny Saturday and the forecast looks very promising for the upcoming days. So let's go! Amazing. The water is so nice and warm, and it's definitely a good idea to visit Cyprus during the winter months, as there are basically no tourists, so it's not crowded at all, so you can have all the beaches just for yourself to enjoy, like now. Amazing. Let's dive in once again. Amazing. I'm so happy right now to enjoy the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea in Cyprus. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up now for this short episode from Marina Beach in Ayia Napa. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!